Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Good morning, guys. It is Monday, November 5th, 2018. Looks like natgas exploded on the daily. At first, I thought it was a contract change, but it is not time for a contract change. So it's really showing some strength after some daily consolidation after a big move up, lower highs, lower lows, and absolutely ripping and not giving traders a chance who aren't already in to catch this move. So be a little bit wary. We could see some continuation, but with this 8% move in natgas and where the hourly RSI is, I'd like to see some consolidation first before I decided to play it longer term. So we're looking at supports. So not much support on the hourly until all the way down here at 3.444 because of that explosion. And then of course the low here of 3.437, break of 3.437, and we will be in gap fill territory. Looking at the daily, I'm going to go to the unadjusted charts for the daily supports and resistances. If it load. Oh, great. I broke Thinkorswim. All right, here we go. So daily, I'm in a hotel, so the internet's a little slow. So daily, basically the support here is the gap up low here of 3.437. That support that I highlighted on the hourly. So because of this move, this is a nice break of this daily sideways movement. Because of this explosion, if it breaks this low here of 3.437, doesn't have as much support here until the previous resistance really at. We're going to look at the previous resistance next here at 3.368 on the daily, then at 3.34, then at 3.216, and then we'll look at the higher lows on the daily here at 3.166. So natgas making a very impressive move out of nowhere. Weekly. So the weekly, it was an equilibrium bull break, as I've highlighted in my past videos. Did have some profit taking here. I expected with this profit taking, I was expecting some consolidation, but this Friday candle kind of had me thinking we were just going to move sideways. But clearly breaking 3.368 and exploding to the upside on this weekly consolidation. Monthly, longer term, keep in mind. Let me see where that weekly RSI is at. So keep in mind where this weekly RSI is at. This is the most overbought it's been since really all the way back here on the weekly here in 2016. What is that? June 2016. So keep that in mind that the weekly RSI is the highest it's been since June 2016 as it approaches the monthly resistance. So you can clearly see we have had lower highs here on the monthly, and so the resistance to be watching on the monthly is 3.628. And again, watching that weekly RSI at that level, it would benefit the bulls if they're trying to break this monthly level to consolidate a little bit on the weekly. But it's not extremely overbought yet on the weekly on natgas, but would like at least couple of weeks of consolidation, bring that RSI down before it breaks this monthly. And if it breaks this monthly, that for me could lead to a breakout that we have not had in some time here. And natgas, of course, the longer term view is pretty beat up. So natgas definitely a chart to be looking at. Look how beat up it is from its all-time highs. So as it reaches that monthly resistance, watching that weekly RSI, if it does cool down a little bit, then it would be, I think, a potential really nice play long term with how this weekly chart is setting up. So have a good day of trading, and I will see you shortly.